Today's session is about something that is really important. Let's say you had the service lane here. How would you go about laying it out? So before we start, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do. It really helps me a lot in growing the channel and building up more content for you. So please go hit the subscribe channel and like the video also. Please do not forget to like. So yeah, we can start. Okay, we want to build a service lane here, probably. And service lanes sometimes do not follow the same path as the parent alignment. Find that a service lane on this side is following a different horizontal geometry from the one being followed by the parent alignment. So how do we go about that? What can we use to do that? So let's first of all start by creating sample alignment that does not follow the parent alignment here. So I'll go to alignment and I go to alignment creation tools. And here I'll go with the defaults. I will go with the default name, I'll go with the default type and the other defaults. Just click OK. The alignment layout tools toolbar pops up. And here I can select the type of command that I want to lay my alignment with. So here I want to use the tangent with curves. Then I'm prompted to start. So I start from here. Probably it's not following the same route. So I turn off ortho and I turn off snaps. It's not following the same alignment as it keeps meandering like this. Then goes that way. Then click OK. So here we do not have. We remove this one as well. Create a curve. Is that. So that's an alignment. Pretty much alignment, parent alignment. So this is taking a different path from the one here. So let me also create its design profile. Do it very quickly. I click on this and then I go to the contextual tab and then I create a surface profile first before I create the design profile. So I place it down here. Then it's time to create the design profile. It will be pretty simple. Profile creation tools, and then we are prompted to click on the profile view. I will go with the defaults again. Then here I click on draw tangents with curves. I snap onto the first point here. I snap there, then I snap all the way and I click enter. All right. So our design profile. So now something that will help us to create that service lane, something called an assembly offset. So here under assemblies, there's something called an assembly offset. And if you read the pop out there, starting from the second paragraph, it reads, an assembly with an offset is useful for a corridor section that has more than one definitive path, such as a highway with a service road on one or both sides. Create the offset by placing it a distance from the existing assembly baseline. All right. So I click on that and I'm prompted to select an assembly. So I go and select the existing assembly, and then I'm prompted to select the location of the offset assembly. So I just place it there. This distance doesn't matter. The distance from the parent assembly to this offset assembly doesn't really matter. Okay. So I want to place a service lane here, one lane that goes this way. All right. So I come here and just copy the existing lane. Just copy this lane, copy it and place it on the offset assembly with the default slope. And I escape. So we want to have it here following this assembly, following this alignment and this vertical profile. Okay, so we go to the corridor and we go to the corridor properties. We examine the corridor. So currently it needs some updating, and we can see where we can add the assembly to the offset alignment. So let's just click OK and rebuild. Once we rebuild, I think we can now access the offset assembly. So let's go back to corridor properties. Now we can see we can add our offset. So here we can select the horizontal baseline. So here I'm selecting the alignment, and the alignment is here next to the parent road. And then next I want to select the design profile, and this is the design profile here. And we apply and we rebuild the corridor. We click OK. Let's go see whether we have our service lane. There we go. We do have our service lane. And if you want to add some grading here, you can add on this side and on this side. And let's just leave it as it is. So let's view this. You can see the hatching on the road pavement is the same as it. Okay. So let's see it on object viewer. Let's see how it looks like. You can see this pavement is the same pavement that we have here. There we have our lane, our service lane. Okay. If you like this video, do not forget to like again, to share it with other people who may need this nugget of wisdom. And let's meet in the next video. Thank you.